account, and right now we have a in the admin dashboard. Okay, so what we can do, in the admin section we can see our users. Obviously that is our users. Okay, uh, then groups, then and that is our models. Actually from there previously we enroll a course. So in the payment section our paid course will be displayed on there. Right now we doesn't enroll paid course. Okay, we just show you for the demo purpose only. Okay, now in the user course, these course users already enrolled. You can manage the users course. Like we can right now we have only 4 courses on there. As you can see, only 4 courses, and everything is dynamically. So from here you can see here we can add the feature code, then feature emails, title, course title. We can define our author. Right now we have 2 authors. We can also add more authors from there. From there we can add multiple authors on there for the multiple codes. Mainly this is the course owner who actually make these codes. Okay, the teacher's name. Then the category. Okay, which category this course will become. Then label, you can specify the, you can define the labels. Then description, we of course we will show that. You can see we have the description. This description will be written on there. Okay, on there. Then the price, language, deadline, discount. After giving the price, discount will be calculated. This course price is totally free because we put this price is 0. Okay, for this course, but on the other course we doesn't put this 0, or we put the paid price. Okay, right now you can see here how many videos on there. We will display on the curriculum 1 2 3 4 5 6 videos on there. So we'd add 6 videos on there according to our needs, and as you can see how many videos actually you want, and you need to define the lessons. We need to actually create the lessons and just add the lessons from there. Okay, even you can do any kind of mistake, you can just have a edit button also there. As I defined that title, YouTube ID, you can define, and course duration, it will totally sum all the courses and it will display on the total course duration on there. And you can also define the preview course, which will be preview, so that we make this on the first video anyone can see, but others video if anyone want to see that, they will need to enroll this course must. And we can also delete option also. So we have a full learning management system there, as you can see. And in the backend there is using the Django. It's a Python based framework. Django is a framework that is based on Python programming language. Okay,